Their commitment to health has never wavered. Through periodic free health outreaches from persons with disabilities and their caregivers, H4P aligns with the world's goals. The UN Sustainability Development Goal 3 and the WHO's Universal Health Coverage Agenda. The principle is simple, sacred. Ensure no one is left behind.